I'm going to show you how we can use this tool to track service delivery minutes. The way that this is set up is that it reflects exactly the LRE, the least restrictive environment service grid. What you can do is you can toggle through this and make it match the specialized instruction area. You can drag and drop and find that there are options for both inside the classroom and outside the classroom, as well as different service providers. When putting in the weekly and monthly minutes, you only need to put in one of them, and that the other will self-populate. So if we see here, if I were to put in 90, we see that means 360 minutes. I've gone ahead and filled in this whole service delivery into this chart. We're going to be using that as an example. What you will see is that these all turned red when these values are here. That means that there is a disagreement. If it is red, that means that the total minutes for the month have not been met yet. So what we can do is look, as soon as that these values are put in here, it automatically populates into these calendars for each month of the school year. Already I have set it up so that the dates reflect the actual dates of the year. So if we were going to start in August, we could say that the physical therapist saw a student for 15 minutes on Monday the 24th. Our occupational therapist saw him for 45 minutes on that Tuesday, as well along with the speech pathologist for an hour. And then we had that consultation for 15 minutes here. That was a really packed week full of services. So we see on this page how many minutes have been provided throughout the week. That's going to automatically put the sum. So let's say that if our physical therapist did 2 sessions, we see that that populates to 30. We can see that the monthly totals for each of the positions are up here. And then when we go to that summary sheet, we will see that some of these boxes have turned green. That means that in August, our physical therapist has met all of the minutes needed according to the IEP, as well as the consultation of the occupational therapist. We see here that the occupational therapist has not provided that 120 monthly hours direct, and that's why it's still red, and still the same for that speech services. We're at 60 minutes as of now versus that 240. You can use this to track all your minutes for each student, having the case manager create a new document for each one. As you go through the months, it will automatically populate the totals. You'll see them here, and then again, you'll see them on the summary sheet where it turns green. Hope this tool can help.